What is going on, everybody? Hope everybody's having a wonderful day today. Well, it is, come on, watch. It is June 26, 2024. Oh, there's a dead cat in the road. It's a black cat. I hope it's not ours. I think I've seen another black cat down here before. She's real careful. I don't think she was in the road. I haven't seen her this morning. I haven't seen her today, but sometimes she'll disappear during the day and she won't show up until in the late afternoon, early evening. But it is June 26, 2024. It's 1:43 in the afternoon. It's 93 degrees and mostly cloudy. I was sitting around the house. I put my bike on charge right before I started teaching, and it was finished charging when I got finished teaching. And I forgot to charge my front camera there, my white camera. So I put it on charge, and I was just sitting around the house waiting for it to charge. And the weather radio came on and said there's a severe thunderstorm warning. So I said, oh goodness, I didn't think it was gonna rain. And I looked on the weather and it showed rain this afternoon around 4 or 5 o'clock. So I figured I'd go ahead and jump on here, and we are running to UPS. I gotta mail my router back to AT&T. He said just take it up there like it is, don't have to put it in a box or nothing. He said they'll box it up and ship it for me. So, and I think I said in the last video, he told me make sure you hold on to that receipt. Now, guess what I did yesterday? I filmed the video before this one. I filmed it yesterday when I went and paid my water bill. So I think I said in the video towards the end that I was about 1.5 miles from the house. So it was about a 12-mile round trip. Well, I was wrong. 12.1 miles is what it was. So it was 12.1 mile round trip. And I got home and I was sitting there working on my computer, and the phone rang. They said, Mr. Crow, this is Greater Ouachita Water Company. I just got your payment out of the drop box, and you didn't write pay to the order of. I forgot to fill that part out. She said, you'll need to come back up here and fill that out. And I said, can you fill it out for me? No, sir. They don't let us do that. It's against policy. I said, I don't mind if you do it. I give you permission. I'm sorry, sir, we can't. So I had to go back up there and write that in on the check. But we had to head into town anyway, so we just swung by there on the way into town and did it. And they actually, at that place, at that water place, they keep the doors locked. You can't go in there. You got to call the number and somebody comes out and meets you. I think they started doing that when COVID hit, and I guess they just been doing it ever since. But now we're gonna head up here, drop this thing off, get it done and over with before I forget about it. And then we are going to, and then when I get back home, I need to start grading some papers. I got 2 sets of papers to grade, so. I've been thinking about how I want to ride my bike over here. I'm trying to make it where I don't have to cross over on Cypress, where I can just hit red lights and go through red lights, but I don't know. Oh, I forgot this side. The sidewalk is closed right up here. Let's see if we can get on the road. Now we got some cars coming. We'll go after this car. I just hope it don't start raining before I get back. Oh, this sidewalks, it's rough over here. I think I'm gonna start riding on the other side. That's normally the side I'm on, is over there on the left. I guess we will go, we'll just keep going straight. I'll go down here. I should have just gotten that roundabout instead of trying to cross here. God, why does that helmet keep coming on? thank you. That was nice of him letting me go. Ugh. Oh, I tell you, we played a putt-putt game last night. Played best ball. It's 3-on-3. The three people on your team hit, and then then you pick one person to finish the hole. It's usually the one with the best first shot. We played that last night, and we won by 1 point. It was a good match. My brother played. I tell you, he bailed us out on a bunch of holes. Two of us would mess up our first shots, and boy, he was hitting them last night. So that was a pretty good game. And I'll go behind you. I need to go up here I need to go one more street to North 8th Street. North 7th is up there by the red light. It's a busy road. So we'll go here to North 8th Street. And then we will go from there. We'll check out the sidewalk situation up here. We'll go back a different way when we go home. I tell you, it's not too bad today. It's not as bad as it was yesterday, as far as the humidity. And that just says the high today is 93. I think the high yesterday was like 97. So let's see. Now see, I know there's a sidewalk over there on Cypress. I just can't remember if there's a sidewalk on the same side as UPS. Oh, look at here, we got us a bike lane. That's rare here. Oh, we got a sidewalk right here. How about that? We'll just take this all the way down to the red light if it runs that far. Nah, I don't think it runs that far. There's a police station over there on my right. All right, let's see what we can. All right, we can get on the road now. All right, so we've got a sidewalk right here. Oh, yes, we do have a sidewalk. So that's good. We can just go down this one, and UPS is on this side of the road. It's a busy road right here. There's a bunch of small businesses right through here. And UPS is right up here. Let's see. We'll cut through AutoZone parking lot. Oh, there's UPS down there. There's UPS store. Need to mail this back to AT&T.
What's the account holder's last name?
Crow, C-R-O-W.
The sheet I'm going to hand you is your receipt. We recommend holding on to it for at least 6 to 8 months and definitely taking a picture of it if you feel like you're going to lose it.
Okay.
It does not have a tracking number on it.
Okay.
It does have your return reference number, the date you came in,
All
your
right.
account number, and it's basically just proof of drop-off.
Okay, so if I don't get a bill from them in 6 months, then they agree that they got it. Okay. All right, thank you. All right. 6 to 8 months. Wow. All right, so we got that done. Let's see how we want to get back. I'm not sure. I'm not sure where this road goes to, but how about we take it? just see where it comes out. I think it's gonna come out over there on that road by the hospital. We'll go back that way. Well, I tell you, that was easy, mailing that back. Oh yeah, I think I've been down here before. Yeah, that vet that we took our cat to is back here, yeah. At pet care. We take the cat there, but you know, they're hardly ever open. They're only open like 3 days a week. So we've taken them to another vet. All right, let's get on the sidewalk here and we'll head on back. Yeah, they're trying to get the people to sell this hospital. I think that the group that owned that hospital there, they have done a terrible job managing it. From what I've heard, money laundering, all that junk. And I heard from somebody, now I don't know if it's true, so, but I've heard that that they can't even find the CEO. Let's see, we're gonna get right here. Let's go. Ah, we're gonna go. It's yellow. All right. I'll go this way. I think there's a way to get out up here. If not, we'll make a way to get out. Oh, you going to the pharmacy, aren't you? We're making pretty good time. It's 2:09. I'm gonna get out on the road and go around her. Ride right up on her and scare her. I've done that a couple times. people walking and you come up behind them and scare them to death. Oh, I tell you, it's kind of windy today. No, I think I mentioned it in an earlier video, I can't remember, but I got my daughter one of those circle cups, you know, where it's got the flavor pods. You just screw the pod in the top and you just fill the bottle up with water, and when you drink it, it mixes and you get the flavor. So she went through her first pod, the fruit punch, and you know, that thing lasted about 2 or 3 days, her drinking on it. So I thought that was pretty good. Man, that wind's blowing. Cut through here. It looks like they got their 12 packs on sale. $5.44 for a 12 pack. That's what, almost $11 for a case. That's about what a case is at Walmart. Well, I tell you from what I remember, the price of Cokes pretty much doubled for a case. I remember you could get them for $5.98 a case, or $6 a case. And now regular price, they're right around $12. That's ridiculous. Everything's getting so expensive. I guess he's gonna let me go. He's been sitting there, or she. Well, you know, we are just about home. I think I'm gonna wrap this video up. I hope you enjoyed it. I appreciate everybody watching, appreciate the comments. Check out my other video. Give me a like, share, subscribe, comment, and I will see y'all in the next one. Later.